everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fall vlog. I feel like we're in the peak of the fall season. The trees are orange and red. Halloween is coming up. I just really want to take a day to enjoy the fall season. Just kind of do some of the things that are on my fall Pinterest board, on my fall bucket list. Really just enjoy the fall season before it's over. I feel like fall just started, but here in a couple weeks, everything is going to be Christmas and holiday. Before it's over, I just really want to have a fun fall day and just like romanticize the fall season. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to get some fall nails, get a fall coffee, do a little baking, do a haul. We're just gonna have a fun fall day. I hope you guys enjoy. Definitely thumbs up if you do. Comment below some things you like to do in the fall season or something you want to do before fall is over. Let me know like some Christmas, holiday content you'd like to see on my channel. I'm kind of planning everything out right now. I have some really fun things coming up, but let me know anything specific you guys would like to see. Let's just get into the fall vlog. First, I have a little haul from Boohoo. Picked up so many cute items for fall, for the holiday season. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, so thank you so much to Boohoo for sponsoring today's video. Of course, I'm gonna have everything linked below, so you can shop all the products. The links in the description. Also have sizing details and everything like that. Boohoo just launched their holiday collection. They have so many cute pieces for all of the holiday events, Christmas parties, shopping for gifts, going ice skating, all of the things that you just want to look cute for this holiday season. What I love about Boohoo is that their stuff is really good quality, but it's also really affordable. I have a lot of pieces from Boohoo that I really love. Let me show you guys what I picked up. First is actually what I'm wearing. This is a two-piece set. So you get this off the shoulder top and then like a maxi skirt. It kind of looks like a dress when you have it on, but it's actually just two pieces. It's super comfy. It's like this soft kind of stretchy material. I feel like it just looks so flattering on. I don't normally like super like bodycon type dresses, but something about this, I feel like it's just super flattering. I feel like it'd be really good for like a Christmas party, maybe New Year's, maybe even like Christmas Eve, Christmas, if you like to dress up a little bit more. I love the off the shoulder. I feel like this top would be really cute on its own as well, just like with jeans or something. Next is this jacket. This is so nice. I'm literally obsessed with it. It's this really nice fuzzy teddy jacket. I think this would be so cute. I'm actually considering wearing it for my birthday this weekend. It's like the perfect fit. It's not too cropped, it's not too long. Everything about this is just perfect. I'm obsessed with it. This is just so nice and cozy and warm. I like the material on the inside because if you have like a black shirt underneath, it's not gonna like shed all over it because it's this material on the inside. I think this would be really cute with like a tight black turtleneck and jeans. If you're gonna be outside, shopping, going ice skating, I feel like there's a lot of like winter, Christmas events and stuff outside. This would be perfect for something like that. Next is this sweater. I've been wanting a sweater like this for a while. I have a bunch saved on my Pinterest board. I feel like these off the shoulder kind of chunky oversized sweaters are so trendy. I love the fit and style of this and also the color. It's like a really nice gray color. I think this would look really good for like Thanksgiving, maybe Christmas. I'm trying to figure out like what I want to wear for Thanksgiving, so I think something like this would be really cute. You could even dress it up a little bit and wear it with like a mini skirt and some sheer tights. I really love this. I think this is a really good fall staple. This is literally $23 right now on Boohoo's website. That's a really good deal. I was actually trying to decide between two different teddy coats and I accidentally got both of them. They are honestly different. So I also got this teddy jacket. I think this one's really cute. This is more of like a casual kind of style. I think this would be really cute with like leggings or jeans, more cozy, comfy. The other one is more cozy cute. This is more cozy comfy. I feel like they're both cozy cute comfy. I don't know, you can kind of see in the try on they're just like kind of different vibes, different styles. I've actually been wanting a jacket like this as well. I think it's so cute and I just really love this. You can kind of cinch up the waist and make it a little bit tighter in the waist, or you can just have it not cinched up if you don't want it to be as like cropped, I guess. Next is this dress. It's like a little sweater dress. It's kind of similar to the sweater that I just showed because it's like an off the shoulder style. I'm really picky with dresses. I actually am so pleasantly surprised that I like how all these dresses look. I think this would be so cute, specifically maybe going to like a play or something a little bit where you want to dress up a little bit more, maybe like a nice dinner or something. I feel like this would be really cute for something like that where you want to dress up a little bit more, but not like crazy dressed up. I feel like this would be the perfect thing, especially with sheer tights and like some tall boots or something. And it's just like cozy and cute. Just I don't know, it's like the perfect like winter fall dress. Currently this is like $22 on the Boohoo website, which is such a good deal. Next is this dress. So fun and so cute and just like a little bit extra. I think this would be so fun to wear on like Christmas or maybe to like a Christmas party. The little bow, you just look like a present. It's so cute. The size I got, I maybe could have gotten one size down just because it's a little bit loose. The style and fit of this is really nice. The length, how it fits in the waist. I think like the strapless, but then this kind of goes around your arm. Like that style. I don't really know what that style is called. It's just really flattering and cute. Currently, this is $33 on the Boohoo website. I feel like this would be cute with sheer tights and maybe like some little kind of heels or something. Boohoo has a bunch of like very like dressy kind of holiday dresses in their holiday launch. So I picked up a couple that are like kind of similar to just kind of like compare the styles. The first one is this black sequin kind of square neck dress. This is just so beautiful. I think this would be so good for a Christmas party, a New Year's Eve party, depending on how dressy it is, because this is like pretty dressy. If you're going to like a party where you want to dress up a little bit, I think this would be so nice. This one doesn't have a slit, so it's like very bodycon, and then it has the square neckline. The other one I got is this one. Of the two, I think I personally like this style better. It's just more of like the type of style that I like on myself, more of like a high neck, and then it has like a little slit. They do just kind of like give off different looks, so it kind of just depends on like what you're getting it for. I think both of these would be so cute for some kind of like party. This is like $38 on the Boohoo website, which again is just such a good deal. It's also very comfortable. It has like a soft material on the inside, so it's not like itchy or anything. That is everything that I picked up from Boohoo. Definitely make sure to check out their holiday launch. They have so many cute things. Like I said, I'm gonna have a 10% off discount code. I'm also gonna have everything in my description, so you can shop all the products through the links below. Hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Got some inspo for the holiday season, the fall. Let's just get into the rest of the vlog. What's your favorite or like most popular fall drink? I'm about to go get my nails done. First, I wanted to get a little coffee. The weather just got a little bit chilly. It's like in the 50s today, so it really just feels like fall. I thought this would be the perfect day to get a hot latte. I never get hot lattes, but it just sounded so good today. Hot lattes are so good, and it just feels like fall when you're sipping on a hot latte. I went to this little coffee shop. They have really unique seasonal drinks, so I thought it'd be fun to try one. This is a salted caramel popcorn. I always see this and they post about it on their Instagram, and apparently this is like their most popular fall drink. They have another one that's like candy corn and chocolate, and I might have to go back and try that one. He said those are the two most popular and they're both really good. I'm really curious. I've always been curious what this tastes like. We're gonna taste this. Apparently it's really good. Wait, that's actually really good. This is actually so good. This is really good. This is really good. I always like to stick with what's the most popular because you just know it's gonna be good if like everybody's loving it. This is really good. Wait, this is so good. I always see this and I'm always so curious about it. Are you kidding? It tastes exactly like how it sounds. My dad loves popcorn and he loves coffee, so I'm gonna have to get my dad one of these. This is ridiculously good and it really tastes like fall. I'm obsessed. I'm so glad I got this. I will be back to get the candy corn and chocolate one. Stay tuned. I'll have to try that in a different video. I kind of wish I would have got a large. This is so good. Now I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm gonna do like brown chrome. I've been seeing a bunch of TikToks of these nails, and I did these last year around this time and I really loved them. I just think they're so perfect for like October, November. These are my current nails. I did like the cherry chrome. I loved these nails. I'm not even sick of them. These are probably one of my favorite nails I've done in a long time. I just got my nails done. These might just be my favorite nails ever. I'm so obsessed. Are these not just the most stunning nails that you've ever seen? I did just kind of like a soft brown color. I'm not exactly sure what the color was. And then just like a pearl chrome over top. I think they're so cute. Now I'm gonna head home. I'm actually gonna bake a little fall treat. I'm gonna do these little pumpkin cinnamon rolls. You basically just take cinnamon rolls and wrap them in like some string to make them pumpkin shapes. You stick a little cinnamon stick in the middle. I'm just gonna make those. I feel like those are just so cute. These have been on my Pinterest board, and even like my little screensaver, I have like some cinnamon rolls. So I've been kind of like craving cinnamon rolls. They're just so cozy. These turned out amazing. How cute. This might be the cutest like food or dessert that I've ever made before. I mixed a little pumpkin pie spice with the icing just to give it a little fall flavor. I didn't do too much. I just did like a little. I don't do too much. I feel like these just turned out so cute. These are really good. The cinnamon rolls turned out so good. They're so cute. I feel like this would be a good thing to like maybe bring to like Thanksgiving. They're super easy and they look really cute and festive. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and found some fun things to do to just kind of get more in the fall mood, enjoy the fall season. I feel like this is kind of like the peak of the fall season. Once November hits, it's more like holiday vibes, Christmas time. I feel like now is the time to just like enjoy the fall season. Hopefully you guys got some ideas of some fun things to do. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you'd like to see some more videos like this on my channel, comment below your favorite thing to do in the fall time. Let me know any like holiday content you'd like to see on my channel. I know it's a little bit early, but I'm gonna start like planning out stuff. Definitely make sure to check out Boohoo. I want to pick up anything from their holiday collection or maybe just like a cute fall outfit. I'll have everything linked below. Thank you so much to Boohoo for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end, and I'll see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.